to all. Today we are going to perform experiment number 8, and its object is to study an implementation of transistor phase shift oscillator and observe the effect of an frequency in R and C on oscillator frequency and compare with theoretical value. So to perform this experiment, we have to refer this manual. In this manual you will find the equipment required. In this experiment we have to require cathode ray oscilloscope, experiment kit, digital multimeter, patch codes, crocodile probe and manual. In manual you have to take its theory part. This is the theory part, equipments, and this is circuit diagram of this experiment. In this circuit diagram, our transistor is connected in common emitter configuration, and this amplifier is known as common emitter amplifier. So in this we are using feedback network and amplifier. As we know that for oscillation the Barkhausen criteria must be satisfied. So for that the magnitude of loop gain must be 1 and its phase shift must be 0. So this is the procedure to perform the experiment, and in this experiment we have to calculate its theoretical or practical frequency, and then we have to compare it with its theoretical frequency. So theoretical frequency will be calculated by using this formula, and formula is 1/2 pi under root 6. And this is the model waveform of this experiment. These are the waveforms. These are the waveform of this oscillator, and precautions discussion this is given in this manual. So to perform this experiment, now we will move in the practical part. So for that we will use this experiment kit. In this experiment kit, this is the basic circuit diagram of the RC phase shift oscillator. In this diagram, this is amplifier and this is phase shift network. In this phase shift network, we are using 3 capacitor and 3 resistor, and each section is providing 60-degree phase shift. So total will be 180 degree, and 180 degree will provide this amplifier. So total will be 360-degree phase shift that is required for sinusoidal oscillator. So first, to perform this experiment, we have to connect the circuit. This circuit is already internally connected, so we have to connect only 2 terminal, its output terminal, and using CRO we will calculate, we will observe its output waveform. So for that, first we have to check the CRO. CRO is in working condition. Now we will take its output. For that we will connect CRO probe, its positive part with the positive terminal of the kit and negative part with the negative terminal of the kit. So by connecting these wires, we will get output waveform on the CRO screen. To measure its time per division, first we have to set signal on ground so that we can correctly measure its time period. So for time period, we have to take its 1 cycle. This is 1 cycle of this wave, and its time period is 1, 2, 3, 3.2 into 0.5 millisecond. This time period will be multiplied by this time per division switch. So it is 123.2 into 0.5 millisecond. This is the time per division of this experiment. And by dividing this, the 1/t, by 1/t we will calculate its frequency. So in this way we will perform this experiment RC phase shift oscillator. Thank you.